start from number 51 to number 60. Number 51 is cinquante et un. Number 51 is cinquante et un. Number 51 is cinquante et un. Number 52 is cinquante et dukes. Number 52 is cinquante et dukes. Number 52 is cinquante et dukes. Number 53 is cinquante et trois. Number 53 is cinquante et trois. Number 53 is cinquante et trois. Number 54 is cinquante et quatre. Number 54 is cinquante et quatre. Number 54 is cinquante et quatre. Number 55 is cinquante et cinq. Number 55 is cinquante et cinq. Number 55 is cinquante et cinq. Number 56 is cinquante et six. Number 56 is cinquante et six. Number 56 is cinquante et six. Number 57 is cinquante et sept. Number 57 is cinquante et sept. Number 57 is cinquante et sept. Number 58 is cinquante et youth. Number 58 is cinquante et youth. Number 58 is cinquante et youth. Number 59 is cinquante et neuf. Number 59 is cinquante et neuf. Number 59 is cinquante et neuf. And number 60 is soixante. Number 60 is soixante. Number 60 is soixante. So let's repeat it all from number 51 to number 60. Number 51, cinquante et un. Number 52, cinquante et dukes. Number 53, cinquante et trois. Number 54 is cinquante et quatre. Number 55 is cinquante et cinq. Number 56 is cinquante et six. Number 57 is cinquante et sept. Number 58 is cinquante et youth. Number 59 is cinquante et neuf. And number 60 is soixante. Now next we will learn from number 61 to number 70. So let's start from number 61 to number 70. Number 61 is soixante et un. Number 61 is soixante et un. Number 61 is soixante et un. Number 62 is soixante et dukes. Number 62 is soixante et dukes. Number 62 is soixante et dukes. Number 63 is soixante et trois. Number 63 is soixante et trois. Number 63 is soixante et trois. Number 64 is soixante et quatre. Number 64 is soixante et quatre. Number 64 is soixante et quatre. Number 65 is soixante et cinq. Number 65 is soixante et cinq. Number 65 is soixante et cinq. Number 66 is soixante et six. Number 66 is soixante et six. Number 66 is soixante et six. Number 67 is soixante et sept. Number 67 is soixante et sept. Number 67 is soixante et sept. Number 68 is soixante et youth. Number 68 is soixante et youth. Number 68 is soixante et youth. Number 69 is soixante et neuf. Number 69 is soixante et neuf. Number 69 is soixante et neuf. Number 70 is soixante dix. Number 70 is soixante dix. Now let's repeat it all from number 61 to number 70. Number 61 soixante et un. Number 62 soixante et dukes. Number 63 soixante et trois. Number 64 soixante et quatre. Number 65 soixante et cinq. Number 66 soixante et six. Number 67 soixante et sept. So number 60 soixante youth. Number 69 soixante neuf. Number 70 soixante dix. So let's start from number 71 to number 80. Number 71 is soixante dix onze. Number 71 is soixante dix onze. Number 71 is soixante dix onze. Number 72 is soixante dix douze. Number 72 is soixante dix douze. Number 72 is soixante dix douze. Number 73 is soixante dix treize. Number 73 is soixante dix treize. Number 73 is soixante dix treize. Number 74 is soixante dix quatorze. Number 74 is soixante dix quatorze. Number 74 is soixante dix quatorze. Number 75 is soixante dix quinze. Number 75 is soixante dix quinze. Number 75 is soixante dix quinze. Number 76 is soixante dix seize. Number 76 is soixante dix seize. Number 76 is soixante dix seize. Number 77 is soixante dix sept. Number 77 is soixante dix sept. Number 77 is soixante dix sept. Number 78 is soixante dix youth. Number 78 is soixante dix youth. Number 78 is soixante dix youth. Number 79 is soixante dix neuf. Number 79 is soixante dix neuf. Number 79 is soixante dix neuf. And number 80 is quatre vingt. Number 80 is quatre vingt. Number 80 is quatre vingt. So let's repeat it all again from number 71 to number 80. Number 71, dix onze. Number 72, dix douze. Number 73, dix treize. Number 74 is dix quatorze. Number 75 is dix quinze. Number 76 is dix seize. Number 77 is dix sept. Number 78 is dix youth. Number 79 is dix neuf. Number 80 is quatre vingt. Now next we will learn from number 81 to number 90. So let's start from number 81 to number 90. Number 81 is quatre vingt un. Number 81 is quatre vingt un. Number 81 is quatre vingt un. Number 82 is quatre vingt dux. Number 82 is quatre vingt dux. Number 82 is quatre vingt dux. Number 83 is quatre vingt trois. Number 83 is quatre vingt trois. Number 83 is quatre vingt trois. Number 84 is quatre vingt quatre. Number 84 is quatre vingt quatre. Number 84 is quatre vingt quatre. Number 85 is quatre vingt cinq. Number 85 is quatre vingt cinq. Number 85 is quatre vingt cinq. Number 86 is quatre vingt six. Number 86 is quatre vingt six. Number 87 is quatre vingt sept. Number 87 is quatre vingt sept. Number 87 is quatre vingt sept. Number 88 is quatre vingt youth. Number 88 is quatre vingt youth. Number 89 is quatre vingt neuf. Number 89 is quatre vingt neuf. And number 90 is quatre vingt dix. Number 90 is quatre vingt dix. So now let's repeat it all again from number 81 to number 90. Number 81, quatre vingt un. Number 82, quatre vingt deux. Number 83, quatre vingt trois. Number 84, quatre vingt quatre. Number 85, quatre vingt cinq. Number 86, quatre vingt six. Number 87, quatre vingt sept. Number 88, quatre vingt youth. Number 89, quatre vingt neuf. Number 90, quatre vingt dix. Now next we will learn from number 91 to 100. Let's start from number 91 to number 100. Number 91 is quatre vingt uns. Number 91 is quatre vingt uns. Number 92 is quatre vingt douze. Number 92 is quatre vingt douze. Number 92 is quatre vingt douze. Number 93 is quatre vingt treize. Number 93 is quatre vingt treize. Number 94 is quatre vingt quatorze. Number 94 is quatre vingt quatorze. Number 94 is quatre vingt quatorze. Number 95 is quatre vingt quinze. Number 95 is quatre vingt quinze. Number 95 is quatre vingt quinze. Number 96 is quatre vingt six. Number 96 is quatre vingt six. Number 96 is quatre vingt six. Number 97 is quatre vingt dix sept. Number 97 is quatre vingt dix sept. Number 98 is quatre vingt dix huit. Number 98 is quatre vingt dix huit. Number 98 is quatre vingt dix huit. Number 99 is quatre vingt dix neuf. Number 99 is quatre vingt dix neuf. And 100 is cent. And 100 is cent. And 100 is cent. So let's repeat it all again from number 91 to 100. Number 91 is quatre vingt uns. Number 92 is quatre vingt douze. Number 93 is quatre vingt treize. Number 94 is quatre vingt quatorze. Number 95 is quatre vingt quinze. Number 96 is quatre vingt six. Number 97 is quatre vingt dix sept. Number 98 is quatre vingt dix huit. Number 99 is quatre vingt dix neuf. And 100 is cent. Thanks for watching my video. This is basic classes. For advanced classes, you must join the Levitate Yourself at Chapatali Mode, Barashat, Kolkata. The contact details is given at the screen and all descriptions. So stay tuned for my next video. Like, share and subscribe.